Our state's tourism information centers are a great place for visitors and Oklahomans alike to get information about our state and pick up some special Oklahoma-themed gifts. Midwest City Center has had some upgrades and renovations that make it a worthwhile detour.
This building has been shut down for a few months during the renovation process. We opened January 17th, and we've been steadily getting more and more people aware that we're here, so we're excited to see people coming in.
The additions start outside, where there is a new dog park and a fun selfie station.
Outside, we're working on our flower beds, but we also have this wonderful new dog park. So that's nice that people can come and stop with their pets and play. They can take them off leash and really get them some exercise while they're traveling. We have a selfie station, so it's really fun. It's all of the centers have their own unique selfie station. Ours has an astronaut and a spaceship, and it really brings in the flight aspect that we are part of here with the Tinker being right across the street. One of the things that makes Midwest City Tourism Information Center unique is Midwest City has a park behind our location. So while it's not part of the center, it works together.
The upgrades don't stop there. When you step inside, you'll notice a fresh new design.
When you first come into the building, you'll see that it's been painted, it's fresh, it's got a more modern look to it, so we're really happy about that. We've opened it up, there's more gift shop space. Things are touch-free, so we don't have to worry so much about germs, we don't have to worry about who's been handling things, and the traffic control makes it a lot more friendly.
Of course, you can pick up one of the many brochures with information about all of the neat stops you'll want to make in our great state. You can also pick up a gift perfect for any Okie.
Midwest City Tourism Information Center, we have a larger variety than some of the other centers have. Not only do we have our literature for Oklahoma travel tourism, but we also have so many gift items. One of the fun things about this job is that we have so many shirts, jackets, things like that that say Oklahoma, and those items are so popular everywhere. So this is a great stop, not just for those that are traveling through, but for people that are local that want to have that. And we're always coming up with unique items in that way. We also have books, we have cookbooks, we have books that are historically based on Oklahoma. We have pillows, we have lots of interior decorating items. So there's really just something for everyone here.
When you're in the area and need a safe, clean place to make a pit stop or to pick up a gift unique to our state, stop at the Tourism Information Center in Midwest City.
This is a great place to stop for families, for pets, because we have both the park for the kids to get out and play. So we have everything here that someone would need for stops. We have snacks, we have bathrooms, we have places to play, we have everything that someone would need to have a good stop.